Welcome everyone to the 4th of July show. So, right now, my dad's lighting up some bottle rockets. There's some other fireworks stuff going on, too. Looks like Dad's gonna go and get some stuff. And now, welcome everyone to the broadcast booth. Ronnie Vadine here with you. So, it's the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July for you. And have a safe one with all the fireworks and, all that stuff. So, looks like Dad's coming inside for a second. That's kind of weird. Well, anyway, so we have really nothing coming up, really.
Do you want me to move that guy?
I should be fine.
Okay, why is this lamp down here?
What?
You're okay. I just don't want you to break my light.
Oh,
Okay.
alright.
This is very fragile, so you
Alright.
need to be very careful.
Okay.
Okay, that's my only concern.
Oh, okay. Trash. Yeah.
Okay, but yeah, you're okay if you're just doing that right there.
Yep.
Okay. And you can shut your light off.
Alright. Ooh, it's starting to rain a little bit, too. Better hurry up before they get wet. So Dad's gonna quickly hurry up and get down there so that his bottle rockets don't get hot. Sorry about all the cursing in the background. If you guys hear it. I probably should have closed the door, but I don't want to because it gets kind of hot up here. And the fan up here does not help at all. So I'll need like another fan or something. There were some fireworks going on through the trees. Through some of the trees over here, but now I can't really see any. So back to the bottle rocket thingies. He better hurry up before that happens. Oh, looks like he was just doing a little firecracker deals, I think. Now he's gonna do a bottle rocket. Now, I like bottle rockets if I'm watching them inside. Like the ones he had before, like they were, like the first couple ones that he blew up yesterday, they were so bad, like once they got in the air, they didn't even pop. Some of them didn't go more than like maybe 20, 30 feet in the air. Dad's looking at some fireworks that are going on somewhere. If you guys are at the Sioux City Explorers game and you're watching the baseball game right now, see, that one didn't go very high. Well, that one only went up to almost the top of the tree over here. So, whoa, that went way over the left. I think it landed up on the roof or something like that. So yeah, I think this is basically just going to be bottle rockets and stuff. Oh, that one landed across the street in their yard, I think. If you guys are out at the Sioux City Explorers game, you know that there will be some post-game fireworks. He'll light them up. It'll go in the air. And it will pop. So now he's starting to get good firecrackers now. And I think that's the same bottle he used yesterday to light those rockets. Now, the reason why there's like a little thing right here, it's because we're filming toward a window. And this is the nearest. This is basically the only view you can see him shooting off that stuff. There's no other rooms in the house except for maybe the bathroom and my mom and dad's bedroom, but that doesn't really help. So there's some other people lighting up fireworks in our area, and if you're one of them, good for you. I like those sounds of fireworks, I know that. If you're watching the National Fireworks Show. Whoa, that went nowhere! Oh my gosh. That went right in front of that bush. Believe it or not, that really did. That was a dud too. I'm trying to figure out where it landed, but I can't tell at all where that thing landed. Alright, now bottle rock. Well, now the bottle rockets that we've been doing now they're starting not to pop once they get up in the air. That's weird. Oh, Dad, watch out! Oh, I thought it was gonna go. That went up in the air and it was looking toward his head. At least that's what I saw. Woo! That was cool. Like, once it gets up in the air, it's like a firework. It pops. I'm going to head to the bathroom. I'll be right back, guys. You can enjoy all the fireworks Dad has. Looks like this is the final one. He might do another one. That was near us. He might shoot some more. I'm not sure. I'll be right back. I'm going to go to the bathroom quick. And if he doesn't do any more, then my apologies. Alright, so I just got word on what he's going to do now. He's going to do a big parachute, I think. I just ran back up here so I could see it. Maybe if we can. He might be Sorry about my heavy breathing. I ran up here. Maybe we can get a little closer. But not too much closer. Oh, here he goes. Now, this is a big parachute. Bigger than the smaller ones we did yesterday. So this is going to be crazy. Wow, that's cool. Wow, guys, do you see this? Oh my gosh! I thought this was a parachute. Instead, it's regular fireworks. Man, that was incredible. That was incredible. I thought that was going to be a parachute, but it wasn't. Instead, it was fireworks is what it was. Yeah, I apologize for that, guys. I thought that was a parachute, not a... I deeply apologize. Now I know what those things are. Okay. We have some other fireworks near us too that Dad is now looking at. Is he gonna do possibly another one of those thingies? I would have liked it if he did. Now he's just watching the fireworks. Wow. Okay. I would like you to shoot another one of those thingies up. Now I have it at a higher angle that you can now see the fireworks. Because I thought it was a parachute, really, to be honest with you. So that's why I didn't see it. So now I know what it is now. I hope that's what it is. So right now we're just filming in our junk room, you could say. That's what I call it. Once it gets to the summertime, it gets really hot in here. Like you wouldn't believe it. Is he going to do more bottle rockets? Or is he going to do... What the heck is he doing? Oh, it's one of those disco things. Sorry, guys, for lighting up the whole darn neighborhood with that. Wow, those are some big fireworks. Now we're starting to see some smoke of some other fireworks somewhere. Now he's going to do another one. Warning, he's going to light up the whole neighborhood, okay? And then it kind of spins on the ground a little bit too after it does that. I mean, you need to buy all this stuff. Like, if you're living in Sioux City, go to Sioux Falls or somewhere, any firework where you see like a little thingy going on. And then buy some of the stuff. Like, this is called the Disco Flash, I think. And then bottle rockets, you can get them in Sioux Falls. We got our bottle rockets in a tent here in Sioux City. So that's another way you can get those fireworks like that. There he goes. He's going to go for another one. Warning, it may become very, very odd. Now it's starting to get in my eyes. So I'm going to look away for a minute. Maybe I should look on camera instead of away because I want to see it too. Like, I'll put all the items he used in the description after we're done filming these 2 videos. Man, that's really cool. Who knows if he'll do more of those. Maybe he's going to do another one of those firework parachutes. So anyway, some upcoming events in the future, I'm not really sure about, folks. So keep an eye on the channel. Subscribe if you want to. I don't know. Do whatever you can to keep track with us through our adventures. So yeah. I only see fireworks smoke. We did see a couple fireworks earlier. So who knows what Dad's gonna do now. Yeah, as you can see, it is kind of messy. Oh, he went out to his car. No wonder why he was not in the driveway. Alright. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go refill my drink. Enjoy the sound of fireworks if you can hear them. I mean, we're near a window, so who knows if you can hear them. You might be able to hear a teeny tiny bit of them, okay? It was raining not that long ago, so he might have stopped. So if he did, I will see you guys on the next video. Or I'll see you guys all next time. If he does have another firework, then we'll see you in part 2 of this.